Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to install the Threads and create a new account. It's so easy, just open the Play Store and find Threads, an app for Instagram. It takes approximately 3 minutes for installing. Threads is the new meta service, which is the platform for publishing text records. We can call it as the analog of the Twitter. As we can see, over 50 million users installed this app. After installing, open this app and log in. You can log in with your Instagram account. In this case, I chose my Instagram account. Write your name and biography, and you can add your link. And choose the privacy of the account. In public profile, anyone can see your content. In private profile, only approved followers can see your content. In next stage, Threads will offer you to follow. In this page, you can see how that thread works. Here we can see that all the buttons are like Instagram. You can watch the content of the people whom you followed and publish your own photos and videos. I hope that this video was so useful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.